Today, I'll show you how to use PineScript in TradingView Mobile. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. On mobile, PineScript is more limited than on desktop. TradingView's official help says the Pine editor is the main tool for creating, editing, and testing Pine scripts, and it opens from the Pine icon in the editor area. But on phones, the full editor may not appear in the normal mobile layout the same way it does on desktop. TradingView's Pine team also said that on mobile devices, you may need to use the detached editor link in a browser to access the editor properly. So the correct way to think about PineScript on mobile is this. Use mobile mainly to run scripts, add scripts, and review scripts. But for serious coding and debugging, desktop is still the easier and more complete setup. PineScript itself is TradingView's programming language for building indicators and strategies, including backtesting strategies on TradingView's servers. If you want to use PineScript on your phone, the easiest method is to open TradingView and add an existing script to your chart. You can browse published indicators and strategies, then apply them to the chart without needing to write code from scratch on the phone. That is usually the smoothest mobile workflow because the script is already built and ready to use. If you want to create or edit a PineScript from your phone, the more reliable option is to use TradingView in your mobile browser, not just the app. TradingView's Pine blog said mobile devices can access the editor through the detached editor link, and TradingView support also says the Pine editor supports creating new indicators, strategies, and libraries. Once the editor opens, you can load a template like new indicator or new strategy, make changes, then save the script. After editing, save the script and add it to your chart. TradingView says the editor automatically saves its state, and saved scripts stay in your personal repository so you can open them again later. That means a practical mobile workflow is open the editor in browser, make a small change, save it, then go back to the chart and test how it looks. So, in simple terms, the best way to use PineScript on TradingView Mobile is to use the phone mainly for adding and testing scripts, and use the mobile browser detached editor only for light editing when needed. For full coding work, desktop is still the better choice. And that's how to correctly use PineScript in TradingView Mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.